Welcome everybody, you are watching DriveToChill on YouTube, and in this video I am driving from Darmstadt Eberstadt towards the Darmstadt city center. So this video will be only in driving in Darmstadt, and if something interesting will come up then I will definitely point this out. Otherwise, please enjoy the views and listen to some music if there will be. So yeah. So Eberstadt is basically a corner part of Darmstadt that is in the south direction, and we will drive from the south towards the north, towards the city center basically. Eberstadt we also have the software AG, so it's one of the big company in Darmstadt. They are providing the ID services and stuff like that, or software services I would say, on a lower level they are. So yeah, they are also a sponsor of Darmstadt football team. I think last time they were in the Erste Liga, or first in the top 10 ones, yeah, but I don't know exactly where they are now. So, but they are the sponsors. And on the left side we have some church, and then behind the church we have the army barracks. It's called, in German language, it's called the Kaserne. So, and this Kaserne has the name that is called Kanan Kaserne. Yeah, it's a different music of the language, and it's a different pronunciation of German language. Some words feels very different, some words feels very similar. Yeah. So anyways, we are passing by Army Kaserne on the left side, and on the right side we have the regular people, houses, they are living there. So it's all good and great. Side we have the tram line that connects Eberstadt to the Darmstadt and rest of the city. So in Darmstadt you have also a very nice public transport system, and in Germany in general, when you buy ticket for bus or anything, then it's usually valid for tram as well. So it's all included in one ticket, so which is very nice. Yeah, Darmstadt has trams since I think start of the 1900, and they still have the oldest tram sometimes on these tracks, so it's still functional and still serving its purpose. So it's very nice to see that as well. Nowadays they have really modern trams and very electric one. I think they are built by a Siemens company or some other company, so yeah, but nice infrastructure, and it's very usable as well. So yeah, from here the Darmstadt city will start, because they divide the city into different parts, and then different municipal areas actually responsible for that, for the infrastructure, for cleaning, for maintenance, for organization, and these kind of things, you know. So now we are in the main Darmstadt area. On the left side we have all the renovated buildings. They were used to be American Army's barracks. Some of them are still on the right side, but last time I was there, so they have actually pretty much removed them or renovated them as well. So sooner or later they will be like new houses or apartments for the citizens here. So I guess it's like 6,000 apartments in general here. They have either renovated or built the new ones. So which is very great. Into the Darmstadt's another city part called Bessungen. So in this video I will turn right, and I will go to Bohlenfalltor. It's the place where the football stadium is, and also some other things, Marian Hospital and these kind of things. Yeah, and then I will drive towards the Darmstadt city center after that. So in this area is one of the oldest city part in Darmstadt, and if I go right from the next signal, then there is a very famous international music school where I have seen kids and students pretty much all over the world. They come here to learn the music, and they offer, I guess, bachelors as well. Yeah, it's nice to see that. Yeah. Side we will pass by the Marian Hospital. I think Darmstadt has 3 or 4 main hospitals, and this is one of them. And on the right side is the Polizeipräsidium Bischofs, and I think it's one of the main headquarter type thing here. So it's big building, and all organization and stuff that police has to do gets organized here. And then we have this small forest patch, and after the next signal, if we go straight, then we will reach the Technical University new campus, and right on the left side then they have the Haag buses and trams official parking here, or their management building here. reached to the Odenwald. It's another big forest in Germany. So, but we are turning to the left, and then we will pass by the football stadium, which is now named Merkstadion. Stadium in German language is Stadion. So yeah. So in the stadium area they also have other sports activities, places for tennis and stuff like that, you know. People also come here. Yeah, they have built the parking place properly here. The new one, I guess, is now paid. Before that you can park here for free. Yeah, when things get developed, you know, then it gets sell better. They sell better, you know. So this is one practice place, ground on the right side, and behind this gas station is the proper stadium. It's not that big, I guess. It's only for 15 or 20,000 people, but it's still there, and it's nice to see when people have official football games here, you know. Yeah, they have changed it a lot here. I was not here since so many years, and it's like all new, you know. Yeah, from this traffic signal, if I turn right, then I will be at the new campus of the Technical University, where they have chemistry, mechanical engineering, and part of it also offer the biology types of things, you know, so in detail. Also nearby, then they have the Darmstadt Zoo area. So Darmstadt Zoo is also there. Yeah, it's called the Vivarium, Darmstadt Vivarium. And the building on the right, this wall thing, is basically the Friedhof, or the city's graveyard. This is, like in German language, is called the Ende Gelände. So where everybody's have the last stop, you know, like me, you, and everybody, you know. So yeah. So yeah. So if I turn right here, it's another Darmstadt City part where they have the open air, natural, man-made lake called Darmstadt Vogue. In summer, it's very nice to go there and swim. There are a lot of people there, and yeah, but it feels natural and it's open, you know, and it's also organized properly. Nevertheless, on the left side we have the Finanzamt. Is the, how should I say, it's the tax office, yeah, in Germany. So I will turn left here, and then I will stop the video. So yeah, in front of me is the Jugendstilbad. It's another indoor swimming pool where they have very fancy spa bereich, and it's also very nice to go there because it's salt water. You can actually swim there without even moving over the water, you know. So it's a bit luxury, but it's also, you know, a good activity. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe the channel if you have not, and to get informed about new videos, please also hit the bell button. So thank you. and we'll see you in the other videos. Bye bye.